Welcome back, beautiful tribe. Today I have a 10-minute breathwork session to release stress for you. It is a simple yet transformative practice that you can use anytime you feel stressed, overwhelmed, or you're just craving a little bit of calm. Whether you're in the middle of a stressful workday, you're needing to make a really important decision, or you're just craving a little break to refuel. This breathwork technique can help you to return to a place of clarity and calm. The main part of this practice is going to be something called the 4-8 breathwork method. It is all about engaging your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and restore mode. By extending your exhale, we're gonna signal to your brain that it is safe to relax. This shift will lower your heart rate, reduce stress hormones, and bring you back to a state of balance. You're essentially teaching your body how to feel safe no matter what is happening around you. So let's get right into it. For the next 10 minutes, I'm inviting you to leave the day this far behind. Everything that has happened so far is not important right now. So I'm inviting you to find a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. If there's anything that you need to adjust, your clothes, your hair, your posture, please do so now. And if it feels alright with you, you are now invited to close your eyes. We're going to start this exercise by feeling into how our body is feeling right now. You can easily do that by examining the points where your body is touching your chair, your bed, the surface you're laying or sitting on. So just feel into those parts of your body that are touching some kind of fabric, surface, or whatever it might be. Does it feel soft, hard? Is it smooth, or is there any texture to it? Take some time to fully land into your body, this vehicle that is carrying you around all day long. And it is so easy to get carried away by the thoughts that are happening in our head. But now's the time to check in with your body. Now I'm inviting you to widen that focus. Try to get a sense of your whole body in space. How is your posture? In what way are you laying? And while you're focusing on feeling into your body, you might have already noticed your breath. Are you breathing fast or slow? Deep or shallow? There's no judgment, it's just a noticing of what is happening with your breath right now. Next, I would like to invite you to take 3 deep breaths with me. We're gonna inhale through the nose and then out through the mouth, and we're gonna make a swoosh sound doing so. So in through the nose and out through the mouth. And in. And one more time. Let something go. We're now going to start with the 4-8 method. This means we're going to inhale for 4 seconds in through the nose, and then for 8 seconds out through the nose. I'm going to cue you through it. We're going to start by breathing in through the nose for 3, 2, 1, and out through the nose for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in for 3, 2, 1, and out for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and in and out. And in and out through the nose, and try to relax a little bit deeper. And in and out. And in and out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale into the belly and out through the nose. Let something go. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale, we just have 10 cycles left. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And one last time. In and out. Now I want you to slowly come back to your body. Feel where you are in space. And you can slowly start to wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you feel ready, you are invited to open your eyes. I hope you feel relaxed and centered, and I wish you a beautiful rest of the day. Much love.